Catherine. What? Catherine? say all that mean stuff.
Shut up, huh? Yeah, Junior, look over here. Junior, look over here. Turn around.
Can you do your Indian accent?
No.
Please?
No.
Catherine, do it.
No.
Catherine, do it really quick.
I said no.
Turn around, just say something. Be mean.
Whore, if you look at me again, I'll come over there and I'll put on a good black Satan.
Talk in your Irish accent now.
Make me. Please don't make me say it.
Please, just do it really quick.
Please go away. I didn't do anything to you. I just keep coming back and try to beat me up and I don't appreciate it. Do you know this is not going on my